Hello guys, welcome to my garage. This is my green Mitsubishi Colt, and today I would like to show you how to replace license plate holders. You can see my car came with this terrible floppy and bent license plate holder, which is all faded and looks terribly. We will go from this piece of junk, all bent and ugly license plate holder, to this fresh, straight and also stronger license plate holder, which looks a million times better. So let's do it. For this job you will need just a Phillips head screwdriver, that's probably it, or maybe a flathead screwdriver in order to pry your license plate off your car, but I think it will not be necessary in this case. So we will start with popping the license plate from the holder. There is a little tab that I'll press inside. On the other side the license plate is already out because the tab is broken on this side, so the previous owner probably didn't bother to place it back inside. You can also see he didn't bother to screw it properly to the car. So now I will unscrew these two bolts. Yeah, they are all loose. Somebody did a terrible job on this. And another one. I think I could actually add some more bolts to it, because I think two are not enough to hold the license plate properly, and if you run without license plate in this country it's actually quite serious crime. So I want to be sure that I will not violate that. So now I have my new bracket, and also you can see that there are actually about 7 holes in this bumper, so I think it's shame not to use them when I don't have to drill it. So now I will align this holder with the holes. Yeah, it sits perfectly. I will put in 2 screws so it doesn't fall down, one on each side, like this. First I will find some new bolts for this bracket, then I will align it properly and screw it down tightly so it will not go anywhere, and I can be sure that I will not lose my license plate. When you put your bolts inside, make sure not to tighten them immediately. First align the bracket, make sure you like the placement, make sure it's straight and it sits good. Then you can start tightening them up. It's plastic to plastic, so don't over tighten the bolts, but be sure that they sit flat against the bracket so you can actually put the license plate into its holder. It would be quite pointless if you couldn't do that. So last bolt. Nice and tight. Yeah, this thing is not going anywhere. Now take your license plate, bend it just a little bit, slide it in, then take this plastic piece which comes with your license plate holder, put it into place, and be sure to secure it with the tabs. Nice. You can see this new license plate holder looks million times better. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you wanna see more simple fixes and mods you can do to your car at home. Thank you for watching. Bye.